Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Cat is a wonderful domestic animal. A cat is a domestic animal, but there are wild cats too. Cats are found in various colors. The eyes of the cat, which are of grey color, shine at night. A cat has sharp claws. Almost every people know about superheroes character. They play important role in DC comic, film and TV series. I have shown many versions of superheroes character. Now I am going to show you superheroes character as cat version part 2. If you like my content, please do like, comment and subscribe. What do you want in next video? Please comment in the comment section. Let's enjoy the video.